So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your card on Temu. So first of all, once you download the app, open it up. From here you will need to log in using your email and password information. You will see at the bottom home, categories, your card. You can see search in the top part of the page. From here you can click on the U option. You can see your order, messages, reviews, history, win award, addresses, and following. You can go to settings at the top part of the page. Payment methods, country, region, language, currency, notifications, and so on. So you can go to your payment mode. Through here, you can see add a credit or debit card. You can see secure and trusted, customer support, and some other options. You can also go to checkout. So this is a different way you can actually change your card. So through the checkout, you can see I've selected something. Doesn't really matter which item. The checkout will look pretty much the same. And you can see here payment methods. So if you check on card, so if you've added a card, and you will see which card it is. After that, you can click also the option add a new card, which will basically be changing your default payment method, your card that you've added, so you can change it and add a new one. And you will open up here for card number. You can see the expiration date, the CVV. You can even click the scan card option on Temu. So there's a couple of different ways that you can change your card in the app. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.